My name is Michael Plaza, and I was a door-to-door, basically flyer distributor. I wanted to volunteer because my friend Carl Ryan called me on the phone and said that he wanted to unseat the establishment Republicans and replace them with fresh blood for the Republican Central Committee. I'm 23 years old and I've lived in San Jose my whole life. The change that I've seen in my lifespan is that a lot of people, the population as a whole, is adopting more and more left-leaning political responsibility and left-leaning political ideology, and it's getting out of hand because they're putting the cart before the horse. Well, I'd like to see California actually debate on very specific things, very specific numbers and metrics of where do we see ourselves being successful as a state? What metric do we use to measure success, and how can we actually improve that instead of hiding our failures by changing the laws? When I was volunteering, I met Linda Ross, of course, Nathan Malamus and his dad, and now at the volunteer party, I'm meeting everybody else, Robert Howell, who was running for senator, and it was very exciting. The people I knocked on doors, sometimes they would be in the driveway, and I'd get to have a little chat with them, and then we'd go back and forth, and they would say, "Yeah, of course I want to revive, the Republican Party in California."